We'll guide you through how to fix AirPods 4 low volume or very quiet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is annoying as it's then hard to go and hear what's coming out of them. Grab each AirPod and you want to go and clean them. Debris can go into the speaker here, so you want to go and give this a good clean with a brush and just make sure there's nothing blocking it. Repeat that for the other AirPod, go and see if that helps. Next, come onto your iPhone and open the settings. You want to go and scroll down and go and find sound. Press sounds and haptics, scroll down and you need to find headphone safety and you need to go and switch off reduce loud audio. See if that helps. The next you can try doing is restarting the iPhone, press the volume increase, then decrease and hold down the side power button. Keep this held down, shortly it'll go black. Release when you go and see the Apple icon. Next, we're going to reset the AirPods, place them both in the case and close it for 30 seconds. If you also have a button on the back, tap and hold that until it starts glowing amber and then white. If there's no button, then what you want to do is go and double tap the green light, double tap it again, then again. It will start beeping and glowing orange. It will glow white when it's complete. Now it will go and pair. We can press connect. Last of all on the device, just try increasing the volume by using the buttons.